You heard I had a fight with Opoku, and you think I'm the one at fault.
Sweetheart, please calm down. I'm just trying to have a mature conversation.
No, she don't always nag. Come on. That guy wants to take my leniency as my weakness. You need to tell him that I'm not a thing to play with. Understand?
Scratch that. Let's just end it. I don't want to have any fight with you, so it's fine. I'm leaving. Whenever I try to have a conversation, you're always fighting with me. Come on.
Hey, Kanye. You know, that is not the case. You see, sometimes, let me put this aside. You know I love you. Huh? I really admire you and I can't afford to lose you. But when something's happened, you need to ask me. You understand? Don't just go around and putting blames on me. You know how that guy, you know what he did?
But that's why I'm talking to you.
That Opoku guy. You think he's the boss in the campus, right? I'll show him what I know.
Calm down. You don't always have to be fighting. Please. Let's just get something to eat. Okay?
You are the reason why I'm coming. Because that guy, you know he can't show me nothing.
Yeah.
You know Opoku can't show me nothing.
Yeah. Let's go.
Are you sure? Are you fine?
Yeah. So what do you want us to do?
Right now, let's go to the lovers bench.
Okay.
I am a brand new message, so let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a Fabia. Say, in yes, you can't unpen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you.
Aroma, why do we wish you Opoku? Why am I here? Then I say, my madam, went to my anything. Ah, boy, now what are forms, sir? Master, Opoku, your journey team passing says sonically. Which man chin on one side behind Dane? Boy, we shall the crew. Why no only crew crown and wedding? What do you mean, show me number one? Aroma, we, Opoku. Bema, Opoku, boy, missing me, I'm here to China. We, me, no way, damn, I say, come chin, come up, now won't mean bonny. Boy, we are slow nigga crowd, too much. Oh, Bema, boy, can't hold a long, boy. Massa.
Confula, sit down. Opoku is getting on my nerves. That dude is getting on my nerves. He has held the tail of a tiger. And indeed, the tiger will roll. Who Opoku ne why say what's we share me? Ebisa me say, why am I looking at you? Opoku. Nigga, you see the way the guy was talking, eh? He was talking with this audacity and Charlie, why are you looking at me? Hey, damn. Opoku me?
We are that from
Mami, you show him obi person rena me cows mami show him.
long now and my said I'm at a long show. Where's your tone where I went to me and answer who dano? Maintina, me won't me for quasi some. Didn't me sorry I'm to make won't me cramp and a mare. Me are down up a month to say, Boga. Where's your no to me and be a medina and you're skipping some training. If you're gonna make
Opoku. You know what, guys? This is not the time for this. I didn't call you guys here. Say, Yembe Iddi and what time. Let's know what is next. Charlie, because it was a show. More gang and say no. Or more come cage. They are not part.
Yeah, no cray.
Now say entertainment. My sister almost on by any more between me. So Opoku no yako headmistress office. Not say it will be a conway. You had the guy to tell me say, hey, we shall meet. Man, show that guy shake it.
Wait me, I'm an catch we shall meet. And I also your John, sir. What's my Opoku? Don't know where I got your wish I meet.
Guys, you know,
we in a bar and I shan't twas woe. Na habi na ha.
You know, say school my womra. You see, upon all these gangster things,
you for Jacob.
Charlie, you can't go.
You for Jacob. That be idea.
So what be the next move? Talk. You guys should talk. What should we do next?
Sir, the next thing is that school be any say we now ye top down at now ye killer. Inti Emma Opoku we yaru we infa undi agro. Or try so be jino we no say we Jimmy abema. For
you spitting sense, man.
Say any comfort you no onye bia what you
you are spitting sense. But I will show that guy something. Trust me. Me say munya te say agbo me din was sorry no know that guy, bibia to no.
Okunara.
No, I can't kill him, but I'll show you some. Make sure no one say, no, this guy, you shouldn't play with me.
Yes, I'm Kasa am from two Kasana action BMP. Momon fast a killer, tight on him.
Shanu. You know me so meme ni mama how shanu. Ade na ba na ye pa adwen bi aka yeah shanu. We me G so chale stop this man.
Ana ore fini pa na kasa on.
Man. Chale ye wash it down, go down.
Uhu jata sa down.
So Jehovah, hello, I be thy name.
So I want you to help me with this math.
But I told you this yesterday.
Forgot.
So I said this is like 2x plus 2 is equal to 5, right? So you just send the 2 to the side. Why are you looking at me like that?
Okay.
So focus. So when you send it to this side, you then divide 3 by the 2. You get it? So then you get 3 over 2. So that's just simple. This is just... Come on, why are you looking at me like that?
Your eyes. You know I can get lost in them forever. Because they tell stories I want to hear.
Why do you always want to flatter me?
I'm not flattering you. You know you're pretty, girl.
Thank you.
Alright, so
Do you get it? Should
get
I
it.
try another question?
try another one.
So let's say when we have you solve this.
So I should find x, right?
Yeah.
So I think this one gives me 5x. Hey, what is this one to? Plus. I don't know how to
Well,
solve this one.
so you get this, right? I think you get it. Why
I
are
got
you
it.
pretending?
I got it.
Yeah.
You see,
You go to school, then you standing, then you follow bitches.
Say,
Huh? No go to class, then you standing here, you follow bitches.
say what?
Come on, get out of here to go to class. I said go to class.
We're just solving
Question.
I know, but you just go to class.
I wanted to help me out.
Go to class.
Sir, we are leaving.
No, it's not you. Only you go.
I said I'm with her. You know.
I
she's
said
helping me.
only you go.
So you want me to leave
You
her?
just leave.
Leave.
I'll be there soon.
Leave.
Give me the question. I'll be waiting for you under the tree.
You are a stubborn boy, you. What you are? You know how I protect you.
So we're just solving math.
I know, but you have a filter. You have a filter. So how? Mean tena wo masa boys ni wusku man me say future. Sa Aroma no we ni wonye. Onu kwa na teachers for na yakọ no meeting. Sa kro no nketinketi e koso wusku mu nyina wo no.
No.
What no?
He's my friend. It's
No,
nothing.
say yes. I have evidence. I have evidence.
He's not the one.
He's one.
He's falsely accused.
No, he's one. Nobody first in that case. He's one. Achiwa,
I'm sorry.
don't do that. Okay. Don't do that. My cat you say so there. You have my number. Friend me. And no my
But
friend.
you teach tree. You can't teach math.
Oh, I can teach maths. I teach maths before, Prempe.
What is 2 squared?
Yeah, because I Achiwa. What is this game?
4.
Good. Clap for yourself.
You didn't know it.
Oh, I know about my detail. You are.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
Oh, the number one.
Class.
Ah.
Yeah, I have class.
Hey. Yeah, you may blame my children beyond. Now, me pese una me
But I have class.
the night.
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Hmm,
So
okay.
on campus, right?
No, my house.
But we have class tomorrow.
Oh, it's a music.
Okay.
It's a music. I write it for you.
So I can tell the headmaster that.
No. You come. Don't tell.
But I
him.
will be on it. I've missed class.
Oh, I'll tell him.
Okay.
So you don't have problem to tell anybody, okay?
Okay.
Hmm? I have nice song for you.
Okay.
I call you Ejiwa, then you call me Umaye. If you call me say chance, I will
Maya,
beat
you flatter
Ejiwa.
me.
I will call you Ejiwa, and you call me say Jay. You call me Umaye, I will call you Ejiwa.
So you wrote this song.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah, you
Can
have a very
sing?
nice
Can you
voice.
sing?
No.
I call you Ejiwa, then you call me Seer.
I thought you said you don't like searches.
Oh, but it's a music. let's practice. Let's practice. I call you a jiwa.
Then I call you Seer Chains.
Then me call you jiwa.
Then I call you Seer Chains.
You can go.
Okay. But just know that I was just mad.
Oh, but sometimes I'm a teacher. So sometimes if I'm not protect you, I'm not doing my work well.
I like this thing. It's nice. Is it real gold?
Yeah, it's a real gold. I call you a jiwa.
Then I call you Seer Chains. Wait. These books, you're always holding them, Seer Chains.
Yeah. It be.
I've never seen you hold any other book aside this.
It be cinematography, so that's it. I call you a jiwa.
Then I call you Seer Chains.
Have a good day, okay?
Bye-bye.
I'll be back. Marino. And this I'll be cocoa be a park. Marino. I wanna die.
See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could there for me. Pill be a hobby, girl, call me.
My
friend, one year. If you see your teachers won't be able to teach Juma 7 previous moment to me and see that and not just when we are before. If you see Ubiana and Crabia, and why can I say opportunity come at once? Try as someone and do be very careful. I guess I'll bet me a child, yes, I feel one to another so hard dying. Won't you when you know that's so hard time? She when you know I would teach a German. I had teacher Juma so many years. I tried your baby. Japan, my child, your maybe the first teacher, I'm a coach the chi over Hiroshima. Japan, Hiroshima. Maybe the palm, the chi, a international. 1974.
and in my own Canada.
And you be beyond America. But tried your Miami baby. My church had here so many years. Countries upon countries. The country music, come we say the country music. Two chia, a mea.
Wow.
But tried you baby, meaning said you teacher a Juma city. Teacher Juma, ye Juma be a Uber will be at here. No, not got in office. No, even to your car. No, a bear penny. I feel no move. Now, if you would see any panadiano. Now, that baby, I will see.
Watch it and the Amanako bank manager. Udu no mumu said profiles.
Good.
My work as so.
And near my buying the Bassy and Palmer schools. It's some day. And near my young chimney and son. Yam for 2, yam for 1, and my school. Sabani Boka, man, and yasem. Sabani yam for so and yasem. Teacher, you must say you try a car. Teacher, you must say any try a car. Teacher, near said it, what I've been now, not just one a pet.
My, come again, I don't get you. What are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that the property government to come to the school, let's steal it.
We should steal it. Hey, my. Tiasima wa walking here day. You are seeing Colano so bed and Colano so sunyadi.
Hey, I mean that you won't dawate.
Hey, my!
What if you say, I'm going to that you won't da my dachi home and what you saw quite that home. My dachi, you know, I don't know before you do that, you're going to that your mother's are. And you man bind the Abbasi and from school. You really, man, yes, you are Tony, yes, I won't say touch up.
Hey, my! And I said you're good school, no?
Na school, who good I dear. I bind the annual dear.
Hey!
Who good school and your papa be dear. And then you will push your penny dear. I have buying school. You wouldn't say talk. I buy a baby, no, so I can't and you know baby here. And when you I don't care.
My, the okay, the say. You know, Yajun. My, you know, Yajun. Sepa say, me via near me, na me de fambra. Near cotton. Ne do some cranny here be. Obi yare. Obi pewe, yenya. Na for your problem. I didn't say Bannerson yet and Cranquan and so almost so. A bit soon ye teachers, a bit soon so. Work as you school when you be soon be also. Near your boko, my this one day. My
But you also teacher maybe I said we Jimmy pa we ni adwene.
My
So we teacher maybe I said be adwene pa di adwene. Na wo be kira de saa handan saa na man for singing room saa. Wo de saa na wo ko saa na wadane saa wa.
my what bodam kakra. It's not proper things. What bodam kakra?
Nema bodam on.
My we are normal.
What
captain me say?
Normal.
Who yo
Teacher ni wo kwa me nim binti e de fa o teacher.
no so minim dey tell we first.
Teacher ni wo can normal, that's normal. Aya normal. Are you crazy? You
I'm
disappointed on me.
I'm mad.
Shame, come to shame.
Teacher ni penyin tutu to sell. Advice I would amen. My Kono we dey meet no more. Me nye ni ne enye ni china.
Me nim say dey china be so so. Bibi bi o kan na china so so. Jimmy nti nyansan ye jimmy na wu.
My mind your ways.
Tie nyansan.
My mind your ways. One way here me over two position. What did I make at all?
Tie nyansan. Ma me kan nyansan na me kan no kora nkyere what?
What can question one?
We teacher ni abokro no wi ade na nyema wo ye nyina me ho.
Media na me your
Nyema stu nyema wo wi akwese baby nyina me ho na me sheda me de tell. I think mom say wo say school nyema no na wo wi na me ma wo no kora ma wo to test.
My mimi wi ani.
Na me catch mimi ho. Nyema mu wi
akodam enyema one or two bi a me de koye me line bi a me yare anase bi a me de koye na enu ma wi a.
Nyema na wo wi akofie na buy the man say fa kofie ana. Wo say nyema 1 or 2. What is 1 or 2? That kind of dirty life you living.
My I mean can you so what try so be hamia me hawasin sa.
Sa.
Me na me catch you.
Oh my.
So what try so be hamia me hawasin sa.
You don't know my.
Na usu nimme.
You don't understand my.
My.
Say kakakra bin kam igu okes. Say wo say unwia no ma bo hu dua. Yem fa snap ni nkosua mra. Na kase ho na bodia say unwia de wo.
Never ever in my life say me make kese. Me kese.
Obaka a Christian. Di enti na won kese.
Me kese da.
Ene
nya wo su nti na make me bo.
Di enti na won kese.
Enye wi ase enye de nipa bi o wa ye bibi 1 or 2 kitiro.
Enti na me gina to say wo ye criminal.
Wo ntimi nyina no so me kan tem say me ye criminal. Enka bi da.
Teacher ni o kasa da bi akrekre wo tete na ma se sa akrekre. We are referee.
And I'm so
We are referee. We are referee.
Me commentator.
Obi be say yeah teacher ni wo ka
commentator. My
teacher like you.
Me catch you and framing kasa ansem funi bi mu nkyere me da. Wo ti asem na me catch you no. And framing kasa ansem funi bi mu nkyere me da. Next time be framing abe kasa ansem funi bi ma chem. Bo dem du bi gina.
Okay.
Be kasa mi ti ase yemua ne ma mfanye dey.
Pepe ni wasi shurum ya afiko mi. I will deal with you personal.
Me deal with you personal.
With you. Go ahead. One do best.
And I'm so want to one do buy.
Hey. Hey, prices say about 1 chance and chaka teacher form on the site go school.
Hey, no, my qualification why?
Me. Bra, me no when you Japan near man amusia.
Hey,
Japan national anthem. Japan near ma any near ma me first one me diverted to tree. And I me tell no.
I'll be diverted to tree.
What? What do you me say?
Me
say wo when in can school mu ada. Na me nim kwaya me de wo be fa so.
Me unu pa.
Any man na wo wi ani nyina me say that na me che wo tena se ka cho se ye mokro no. Me say that. Na kwaya me de wo be fa so no wo.
Na ka wo say dan ka me so me jitu mu a na ko wanya me.
O wo jitu mu de anka bi ni problem.
Wa bo wo da me.
Wo so wasi wa me na wate.
Mai won wi ase me si wa sum wa ha no.
Ka me be me kun.
Me so be dey.
Ka me be me kun.
Mai wo ba bo me.
Ka me be me kun. Ko ne ko bi samase wo kes.
Mai
santo guest ne ko bi samase.
Mami do nyame ka wo sina kaka metutu ni nyina to
obi ane ne kasa do nya openya me do bi oni ahoden
mai ka metutu sinya to I swear
I say wo ka me be wo mekun
mai don't try me
wo
mai don't try me
na maka kire wo no why wo dia na maka kire wo no
mai wo dia me ka cho ma ho fram me gi nkwasa
ako shene se atale we de ne na school mu aje dress a jimi nko a I just stop it you are
Me dream am say wo ho dodo na ba me wo okwan ebo ni eku na mka kire wo. Me na mka to market. Ene wo ni say ma wo sekra ni ma otikura mpai wo. Ne si o. Wo hwini kra yo ya wo de fesi wo na abete. Ino wo yare a emfa ho. Go baby wo fro. We catch.
What a Jimmy. Obeni nam si ya no e teacher ni na busuafo ni da no na kwata plot no antimi antom. What a Jimmy. Hey, you can't some channel do it. Tinyansa. Hey. Imumba fanera.
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a phobia. Say, in yes, you can't unpen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could there for me. Pill be a hobby, girl, call me. Now send to me, I'll back a be a mule. I need someone to hold me down today. Me, pill be a betty, my summer. Holding it down up my mommy, no I be a there searching you. Yeah, teacher me say what dumb ya.
What's bothering you?
I'm just thinking.
Thinking? Yeah. What are you thinking about?
I just don't like how you treat me. Treat me like an option. Like you don't care about me. Like I'm useless in your life. And whenever I talk about it, whenever we are trying to talk about something, and then we are just having a mature conversation. You just raise your voice, shout at me anyhow that you want.
You can't. I've been doing some thinking, and I want to sincerely apologize for making you feel this way. You mean so much to me, and I never intended to hurt you.
I actually don't think so.
Hey, Kanye.
I don't think so.
You
like you can't just come and tell me I mean a lot to you.
Kanye.
Do you know what you've been doing to me? Do you know how much I've been crying because of you? You're always hurting me, always fighting with me, always shouting at me. Like I can't just have a normal conversation with you. Come on.
You know what? As I'm saying, Kanye, I'm very, very sorry. And as I said, you mean so much to me, Kanye, and I never intended to make you feel this way. You understand? I'll hurt you. I promise I will change. I'll be the man you want me to be. You understand?
If you're tired of me, just let me know. You don't be scared. Just tell me and then let me move on.
Kanin, please don't bring the beast in me. What do you mean by I'm tired of you? It is you and you alone, Kanin.
You see, you're stirring this up. We are just having a normal conversation.
Sorry. Kanin, I love you.
You don't.
Don't say that, Kanin. You know I love you.
Come on, you don't.
You know what? I promise I won't repeat this again. I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever thing that I'm doing that is causing this, I promise to put a stop to it. I'm very, very sorry. You understand? Hey, please.
I'm just trusting you for one last time.
One last time. One last time. Smile. Please smile. I'm not seeing it. What? Did you just see that?
What?
You lighted up the whole place with that smile. And that laughter. That's my favorite sound in the whole world. Your laughter. You know what? I will change. You understand?
Okay.
I will be the best man. Trust me.
Okay.
You see, I sometimes go off because I don't like the way people see me. You understand? They should know that I'm the boss, and they have to
calm down. That's one thing about you. You don't know how to calm down.
You really know how to calm me down. You really do know how to calm me down. Come here. You know, it is you and you alone. You understand?
Okay.
I will change. Let me put this in.
See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could there for me.
My dream name be one command bia on me dine sene usane me kasa school na me nkontum fa menye hwe I said, "You never do. I mean, I'm for now. Come with you and say, come in a cambro for sa. Me de. I'm to papa so any fe. Tino, my imagine say no pese. Your command me di no pese. Me kusu. For me kasa.
Afei de opese okusu.
Eh, for pese me kusu.
Da bia afei de die ne ba utirimo a opese okusu.
I was in the school. Because they say, na man for cambro fu na mabibia school. Ti me dwen ho na de o kan no. I was in the cook.
But two for the co school. They say afei na opese okusu no an nko tua school fees.
No, person ya wa say me offer there. I was say una o boami. Una dem be ko say me to nche.
Woni nkofo bi di school ayama nkofo bi. Vincent Asifo atafo MP senye school a ka Vincent konya Vincent ya catch mu se mu nko school a na mote ho na se minim I don't know why me wo fa senye education a kan ko kama sem say wa se what was say ukwa wo na fofo no obi e kan brofo come to shame Shatawali chas ni senye school anka Shatawali be kwa kan ko no abeda abo ni beat ka wono abaye dai abo ni beat ye ka sam che wa hunti afede wa watna se adwene ho ahu se eye se oku school hwe me ka sam akiro we living in scientific world abaya kaka no wa anko school no even just toilet no kwa wunya no atena it is ohu Vincent no suit na hwe ne kokko na sifu e ba hwe be menima any school said you see fata Vincent kenen ko be da bi FM asifu FM you tell mama the advice say won go school then you tautology things me man go school kenen ka ban mu ko kamen ko and the president Shami you tell me through say vice president Humia how are you I'm good how are you and also good all because of education and then namwa be free na dia ya na exam so bedru baby ni atro ho go beware of dog na wunim na wako refio na kramado what na obeku say education so be kwa me problem o ka say won ko ni ntimi nka me dim sika no kwa akoto odwan abaye no say enipa dodo say na obo wo mo won kae enipa dodo say na meme wo fa ase no makofo wa ba betena me nchen se ko school a ko so da na abo hene it is also be kwa it's over to you me dey me ho time bia be ready bia no
Basa me console so ma miska wo o se de bia ma miska o se me ho ye de
tena ho na abobo hene na ye wanim kokko se ayi intosi aya pam why you din kwa asem kire me the same do be ko mate the education ratings for
o ma kia na o kenkan
me tite oba na me we no me biem no me ye na da se bi sam me kan me tite me te pote
se bia na wo ma kia
ana me
ka bibia cha no otu
sole ko
ne me di kan
si asem nkwa na ye odu ni ma ni wi na wum sa na da sembe ba no bum
fasan sembe wo
ko ade wum ne ko why stop it you are this boy we give you advice you didn't take my advice it's over to you your future you see and you face consequences now for Jonas na ukomo no wono wa school or that's all couple o ka de bi your time camera to ko nsuan de on o da fa on bo chefo wa bon na o de nam na ono ne na bla bo wo hu de o ye no